Alright, so I decided that I wanted to make this iPhone 12 Pro Max low light video all on the iPhone. I don't want to use my Sony or my Fuji. I just want to give you guys real world scenarios of me shooting pictures and video with this. It's almost midnight right now. It's completely dark, and there's a car coming down the street, so I'm gonna have to get out of the street. But yeah, this video is all shot on the iPhone, and I'm thinking it looks pretty damn good. I do see depth, and I don't know if that has to do with the bigger sensor, but it does look a lot better than the iPhone 11. So let's go take some pictures. The one thing that I'm not a fan of with the iPhones lately, I guess maybe it started on the iPhone 11, is that you get this, like, you can see it, this little lens flare thing that's going at any light. I wish Apple would fix this, address it. It's a big problem. I believe that it started actually on the iPhone XS. Okay, so I wanted to test out running. This is me running, holding the phone. And that's it. So what do you think? Do you think the iPhone 12 Pro Max is good enough for night vlogging? I'm pretty impressed with it. If you didn't know, I'm actually not using any lavalier mic, or there's no shotgun mic. This is straight out of the camera, you know, and the quality of the depth that I can see in this video, I mean, you can see behind me, we got some blur, some bokeh going on. I don't know if that has to do with the bigger sensor in this phone or the LiDAR sensor, but I am stoked on this. This is a perfect camera for if you're out and about and you don't want to bring your mirrorless camera. I love it. I definitely recommend the iPhone 12 Pro Max, especially for low light. What do you think? Put your comment below. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.